extremely cool spec car here. Main highlight, I love this so much. You can actually charge this car, the new GLE53 hybrid interior. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we actually have a new car that I wanted to introduce you with. Today we will be talking about the all new 2025 model Mercedes AMG GLE53 Coupe, but as you can already see it's not a regular one, this year being the hybrid model one. Today I will be talking you through, showing you the exterior, interior, and the sound, and I will be telling you all the differences and what's new with this car here in specific. I usually don't do this, but today I just wanted to start the video from the rear because this looks absolutely fantastic and because there's also something that I need to talk about you through. First things first, there's the GLE, all the non-AMG models, 300, 450, whatever. Then we have a GLE53, which is the regular GLE53 6-cylinder with the mild hybrid, so the integrated starter generator, which I think costs around 122,000 euros. But now AMG has introduced a new model here, which came with the new 53 hybrid. There's actually one simple detail that shows us that this car is actually a hybrid. You can see that here by the lettering with the red background. This being the GLE53 Coupe, the AMG one. Hybrid. This is a plug-in hybrid model which costs around 10,000 euros more than the regular GLE53, which comes with a 3-liter 6-cylinder AMG engine and produces even more power than the regular 53 engine. So the 53 engine, we are talking about 435 horsepower. With this one, however, we are talking about 449 horsepower. And since we have a battery here that gives us an additional 136 horsepower, we have a total output of 585 horsepower with a GLE53. This is pretty interesting here. It's almost as powerful as the V8. The V8's GLE63 has got 612 horsepower. We have an extremely cool spec car here, as you can see, with the alpine grey exterior paint. We have the night package, we have the amazing AMG alloys, but actually it almost looks like a 63. There's just a few simple features that make the difference. Anyways, we do the 0 to 100 sprint with this one in 4.7 seconds. With the regular 53 we do it in 5 seconds. And the electric range of the plug-in hybrid GLE53 that we have here is around 93 kilometers, and that's why in Germany it comes with the E number plate here in the back. With the regular GLE53 we don't have that. So let's get on, let me talk you through this being the facelift model of the GLE. We have some updated headlights here. These are the multi-beam LED headlights, single line, 4 LED dots, amazingly shaped. I love this. The 53 specific front bumper, which is always closed, as you can see here. Here also on the left hand side. With the 63s we have it actually open, the jet wing design. Then we have the so-called AMG front grille here, the so-called Panamericana grille here with the full chrome finish. We have the new Affalterbach AMG emblem here in the front, and then the Mercedes-Benz star emblem here, which looks pretty cool. So it's not just a 3D cover here, it's literally a star. Lovely. The GLE53 is shorter in its wheelbase compared with the SUV model, and in my opinion it looks so much more sportier. It also drives more sportier than the SUV model. Yes, we have less practicality because we have less boot space, we have also less headroom in the back, but anyways, just the shape makes this car look absolutely fantastic. The AMG multi-spoke wheels here, I think 22 inches, are exactly the same size as we have them with the 63. We have the steel brakes hiding right behind. With the 63 you can also get the carbon ceramic ones with the red AMG brake calipers here, looking extremely cool. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires here, amazing for this car. We have the turbo hybrid badge here on the side. With the regular 53 we have the turbo 4MATIC Plus badge, I think, on the side. And with the 63 we have the V8 bi-turbo badge here on the side. As we have the night package with this car here, everything is here finished in black gloss. Also the side mirror here. We have the keyless go, you can see with the chrome here, There you go. This car looks absolutely sexy. I'm a huge fan of it. I've actually lowered it in the back. I will be showing you how that goes. 22 inches in the back again, AMG multi-spoke wheels, fantastic. On the right hand side you can actually fill up the 6-cylinder, which you have to unlock from the inside. On the left hand side, here you go. You can actually charge this car. Sorry for all of that, I just cleaned the car. You can charge the car, AC, DC charging. Really cool, up to 48 kilowatts. And here we have my main highlight. I love this so much. This car looks absolutely sexy just from the rear. We have updated taillights coming with the facelift now, making the car look so much better. I really like it. The GLE Coupe is one of my favorite Mercedes you can buy. Alpine grey is the color to go. The only thing that really bothers me, to be honest, is the plastic here. This doesn't sound like quality, right? I wish we had a carbon fiber option or, I don't know, exterior paint option, whatever, instead of this. Just paint it. I don't like it. Exhaust tips here, since we have the 53, are finished in round, as we have the night package, full finished in black with the AMG details. The sound is really good. We'll be showing you that in a second. We have an additional rear spoiler, which is finished in exterior paint. We have the amazingly shaped taillights, looking so cool, AMG badge, and the GLE53 hybrid badge, which is finished with the red details. Now let's talk about the inside. Jump right inside the new GLE53 hybrid interior. So we are right inside the all new GLE53 Coupe Hybrid 4MATIC Plus, and in the inside there's not a lot of changes. With the facelift in general, we have the new flat bottom AMG steering wheel, which comes with these handy and absolutely fancy looking drive mode changing buttons. With this you can actually play around and change from slippery, individual, battery hold, then electric mode. Unfortunately, as you guys can already see, I have no electric range left. I need to charge the car. We'll be doing that in a second. But if we had some range left, we could have driven it in full electric. We have the comfort mode, the sport, and the sport plus. As soon as I do that and switch it to sport plus or sport, we have the 6-cylinder turning up. I really love that. If we just switch it back to comfort, it turns the engine completely off. On the left hand side you can actually play around here with the sound. This combines both the electric sound and the exhaust sound. By turning that on and off you can hear it. Do you hear that? Okay, we can just work on the suspension levels, manual. Whoa, you see it literally turned the engine on again as the car is fully low. AMG dynamics, whatever, and the sport handling mode, the ESP. Let me just talk you through. We have the amazingly shaped ambient colors here in the inside. There's actually another facelift coming off this car here. Let me just show you some spy shots here with an updated taillight, and I think it will be coming with a new interior. So we can already say goodbye to this amazingly looking interior. We've had this since 2017, I think, when they first showed us the car. I think 2016, X177 GLE. And since then they have kept this interior, just giving us a few updates with the display, for example, with the steering wheel, for example, just a few trims here and pieces. We have the new touchpad here, and also this here doesn't feel really nice. There's a very thin layer of leather, which I don't quite like, and also the plastic buttons here doesn't actually match with the AMG interior. However, all these buttons here on the door panel look amazing. We have the Burmester speaker covers here, also the seat controls, everything. We have heated, cooled seats here, and even massaged. Unfortunately, we don't have that option. This is how the seats look like. AMG details, full leather finish. We have red seat belts and a panoramic sunroof, whatever. Let's talk about the sound. As soon as I switch it to sport, the engine turns on. Sport plus revs a bit higher, putting both windows down now for you and listening to the sound of the GLE53 AMG hybrid. Listen to this. Proper 53 specific sound, 3-liter 6-cylinder, very nice, sporty. from the outside and while driving, it sounds amazing. It's so nice. The drive is coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Autobahn driving. Let's just jump outside and let me give you a few of the sound impressions. Now we will be starting up the car. As I mentioned, you can drive it fully electric. As soon as you start and drive it, the car is ready to drive. It's rolling in electric, 69 kilometers, pure electric range. But we are here to listen to the sound. 3, 2, 1, starting it up. Let's go. What do you guys think about the 53 specific sound? I have to say, it's okay. It's totally fine. While driving is louder. We have some more pops and bangs while driving, actually. We'll be demonstrating you that in the future. How do you like the car in general? Rate the spec here from 1 to 10. I love it. I'm a huge fan of the car. Hybrid makes totally sense. For this car in specific, daily drivability is amazing, practicality is top-notch. I think if you're looking for a proper practical car, then you should go with the SUV, which even comes with a 7-seater. Anyways, this car looks amazing, drives pretty good. We'll be demonstrating you that in the future. Please share your comments in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.